So last night I went to the garden and I noticed that my garlics had the garlic scapes. And these are what the seeds are generated. This is actually the flowering part right here, and this comes separate stalk from the leaves. And it is good to remove the garlic scape because, unless you want the seeds of course, but all the energy of the plant can go into making the seeds and the flower as opposed to making bigger bulbs underground of your garlic. So I always remove the scapes, but I don't just throw them away. I use them in my cooking. This morning I'm going to add them to my breakfast egg, and then later today I am going to make some dehydrated garlic scapes and then grind them into powder. So the ingredients for my breakfast is simple. I just had some cheese left over from tacos. I have a couple eggs from my own chickens, and I've cut up the stalk of that garlic scape in little diagonals. And you're also going to need butter and seasoning. So I'm melting a little butter in this pan. I'm putting my scapes. And we're going to cook these for maybe about 5 minutes, whatever. We want them tender. I'll be back when I think they're ready. I got these. Got them nice and browned. So we're going to add our eggs. All I did was whip them up. Okay. And we're just going to add a little cheese. If I had a little ham, I'd add it too, but I don't, so now I'll just put on some seasoning pepper and some salt, and this will be done in a jiffy. So I just flipped it over so we can get it crispy on both sides. Doesn't that look yummy? Okay, a bite. Delicious. It is a little crunch to it, and it has the mellow garlic flavor. This is really good. Well, I'm going to finish my breakfast, but I'll show you what I got going in the dehydrator first. So, why am I making garlic scape powder? Well, it's really versatile. It's great for just putting a tablespoon in some hummus. It gives it that extra layer of flavor. Or you can put it in a veggie smoothie, or you can just like this shake it on your eggs, or put it in a soup, a stew, or even a stir fry. It's really versatile, and that gives you the advantage of being able to have the flavor of garlic scape all season long. So I hope you, if you've never eaten garlic scapes before, try them. You can get them at most farmer markets now. And of course the easiest way is if you grow your own garlic. But be adventurous. Try garlic scapes in different recipes. I think you'll find one you like. And of course, a lot of people make pesto from it. This is Potpourri encouraging you to try garlic scapes. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you so much for your continued support.